I want you to send this to the first person you think of when you hear it. Look, I want you to know that I'm so incredibly proud of you. I'm so incredibly fucking proud of you. You're one of the people that I will forever have in my circle and at my table. I've watched you go through so many highs, so many lows. I've watched you come out of the darkest, deepest depths that you've ever fucking been and find the light again at the end of the tunnel. I've watched you bust your fucking ass to gain opportunities and to get to where you are today. I know you have a lot of days where you feel like no one sees you, no one hears you, no one cares about you, no one loves you. No one could care less if you were gone today. But I want you to know that I would forever take a bullet for you in any situation. I forever love you and care about you so much. I see you every single day. I hear you every single fucking day. I will forever have your back, and I will forever go to war for you. So I want you to know that anytime you feel alone and you feel like you have no one, know that you always fucking have me. Because I will forever be so incredibly proud of you.